Recruiting challenges. So attracting right candidates. So if you have ever tried to discover the right candidates in pool full of unqualified talent, so you will know that your options are limited. So you will choose the best persons you can find at the time. So you're not the best fit for the job, but it's not always about the number of candidates who apply. So the best way to hire the right people is often from a smaller pipeline of more qualified talent. Be clear about your requirements so in your job ads and give a concise view of the role, like use an application's form of knockout questions and directly address your key concerns. For example, like need someone with the clean driving license, so include a yes or no questions asking candidates if they have one. So it's a fast way to screen out people who aren't right for the role. And engaging qualified candidates, like good candidates are often contacted regularly by recruiters, so making it harder for your own email to stand out. So, in addition, candidates with hard to find skills are often considering several job offers at the same time. So, you need to put extra effort into persuading passive candidates to choose your company for your competitors. Before contacting a passive candidates, research what motivates them and what makes them happy in their job. And with the knowledge, personalize your sourcing emails to describe what you can offer them instead of what they can do for your company. And hiring fast is also one more challenge. Hiring teams wants to hire as fast as possible because vacant position cost money and delay operations. So yet, depending on your industry, making a hire can take several months, putting pressure on recruiters and frustrating hiring teams. So a long time to hire may be a byproduct of a shortage of qualified candidates. So the hiring process may to be a long, or hiring teams might struggle to reach a consensus, resulting in the best candidates finding jobs elsewhere. Look at your hiring process. For organization, look at your hiring process and ask yourself, so are all the hiring stages really required? So, are we looking in the right places to fill our candidates pipeline? So, do we communicate quickly with the candidates and with each other? So, all these questions can answer with the help of recruiting metrics from your application tracking systems. One more challenge is like using data driven recruitment. Like companies can use recruitment data and metrics to constantly improve their recruiting process and make more informed decisions. But collecting and processing data can be hassle. So spreadsheets are one way to track hiring data, but they require manual work. So are prone to human error, and they are not compliant. So this makes it hard to track data and trends accurately. So hiring teams need ways to compile and organize data in an efficient and streamlined way. So for that, organization need to be store the data and export helpful reports using systems like ATS. Google Analytics or recruitment marketing softwares are there, and need to track every recruiting metric there is, like have a conversation with senior management to settle on a few metrics that makes sense to you and the organizations. And one more challenges are building a strong employer brand. Like a good employer brand helps you attract and engage better candidates. So organizations that invest in employer branding are three times more likely to make a quality hire. So yet it's a complex process that includes anything from ensuring a positive candidate's experience to promoting your culture on a social media. So it's a continuous collective effort that requires you to step out your usual duties and secure buy-in form of your workers. For that, organization should always be like to avoid this challenge. Organization should always reply courteously on online reviews, bad or good, and give your co-workers the means to tell their story about their work and what they like. For example, through blogs and videos, and through the reels, social media, and above all, the be good employer. And it's uh, will show how. Ensuring a good candidates experience, like candidates experience isn't only important for employer branding, but it's also a factor when your best candidates are evaluating your job offer. So the way you treat candidates during the hiring process mirrors the way you will be treat them after hiring. So if they had a bad experience, so they are less likely to accept. So conversely, positive candidates experiences can enhance your employer brand and encourage good candidates to apply and accept your job offers. And for that, organization needs to coordinate well with the candidates. Like if you are scheduling an in-person interview, give them all the necessary information, like who to ask for, whom, and what to bring. Like explain what they should expect from the interview and what the next steps are. Like inform receptions they are coming and don't let them wait in the lobby. So these are things that should take care of the organization. Recruiting fairly, like many companies struggle to attract and hire diverse candidates, and unconscious biases are often the reason. So apart from your legal obligations to provide equal opportunities, so hiring objectively is good for business because it helps you hire the best persons for the job without stereotype inferring, and this will result in an inclusive workplace showing potential candidates that you are merit to carry, and allowing you to benefit from diversity positive effects. So the organization needs to be implement the objective of the hiring techniques, and structure interviews and blind hiring softwares are like gap jumpers.